this tutorial series on the source code deposits in HAL and software heritage. In this video, I will show you how to create a codemeta.json file from scratch. If you want to watch other tutorials in this series, check out the description for the full playlist. So let's go. The Code Meta vocabulary, the Code Meta project, and the Code Metagenerator, which is the tool that we will use today. Here we have a very nice project that started in 2016, extending the schema.org vocabulary, trying not to create yet another vocabulary. This actually is a good idea. Now, the Code Meta vocabulary is a subset of schema.org. Schema.org is vocabulary used for many artifacts in the world, not only software, and is quite extensive with a lot of properties, as you can see here in the terms page. At the bottom of this page, you will find the Code Meta terms that are not on schema.org, which were added specifically for software and with an idea of software in research. Now, as I said, we want to create a file from scratch. So here you go on this page, we can access the Code Metagenerator. The Code Metagenerator is an open source tool that you can contribute to. It's developed on GitHub. It was contributed by the software heritage team. Specifically, Valentin has worked on it for a research software hackathon. And here you have the hosted form on the Code Meta website. So if you look at this form, you will see that you have many of the properties that are in Code Meta in a regular form. Now, you can say to yourself that maybe it's like filling out the form in HAL. The advantage of doing that is that at the end of this process, you will get here an exported Code Meta.json that you can copy and have it in your repository. And later on, when your software will be in software heritage and then used for the SWHID method when depositing, this will be very easy to use. So for the license, this form and the form on HAL are using the SPDX license list. That's a good way to go. I will leave it with that, and you can see already that there's a Code Meta.json created. Now it is important also to add authors, and you can see that the author is added to this Code Meta.json file. Then I am going to copy this and use it on my own file and get it inside my repository. So this is it for creating a Code Meta.json from scratch. Main advantages for using Code Meta: one is having the possibility to be integrated in the form on the HAL platform, and also in software heritage, Code Meta.json file are indexed. So there are some good advantages to using this vocabulary in your code. Thank you for staying, and see you on the next chapter.